Okay, let's get back to work on this van after a long winter. As you can see out here, it's starting to warm up. We got some lakefront property here, but that'll be right. Once the ditch is open, it'll flow. So first thing on the list here is a new muffler. So I went and picked up this muffler here. Have a look at it. It's supposed to be a Thrush muffler, so we'll see. It was cheap, that's the main thing. So let's have a look underneath here. Here's the old one. So I'm going to pull the exhaust out and just see what we're up against. Okay, so I got the exhaust out, and that muffler is a bit smaller, but it should work. The pipe's probably a different diameter, so I might need to get an adapter or something. Okay, so here's the setup I got. For the muffler, I'm going to reuse the old pipe that connects to the manifold. And then since this muffler is smaller, I'm going to have a longer pipe here. And then I was going to reuse this old tailpipe. Then I picked this up and I'm going to see if I can make this work. I think it should work. And as you can see, this is the muffler I got. It's a Thrush turbo, vintage sound, today's power. So I hope I don't burn out my tires with this muffler. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put it all in. I'm going to attach the manifold to the exhaust, and I'm going to line this all up and tack weld it just to make sure it's going to fit properly. Then I'll pull it out and weld it. Okay, so here's what I came up with. Got it all welded. Have a look. Welding's not great, but who cares? Okay, so let's put it in and see how it works. Okay, the exhaust system's all in. Let's go have a look. A little dark under here, but that's it. Looks pretty good. Let's start it up and see what it sounds like. Okay, well, I don't know what vintage sound they're talking about, but anyway, sounds good, it's quiet, and it's finished. So thanks for watching.